Have you ever looked down at the ground beneath your feet and wondered what's actually there? Most of us live our entire lives on the surface, never thinking about the miles of rock and mystery sitting right under our shoes. We've sent probes to Mars, millions of miles away. We've mapped distant galaxies. Yet, when it comes to our own planet, we've barely scratched the surface. If the Earth is over 12,000 kilometers wide, why have we struggled so much to go deep? Today, we're taking a journey straight down, from the soil of your backyard to the fiery heart of the world. This is the story of what's hidden beneath us. Our journey begins in the crust. This is the world we know. Just a foot or two down, you'll find the busy world of insects and burrowing animals. At 6 feet, we reach a somber milestone, the standard depth of a human grave. But go just a little further, to 13 feet, and history starts to reveal itself. This is where the treasures of King Tutankhamun lay hidden for 3,000 years. It's a reminder that the Earth doesn't just hold dirt, it holds our past. As we pass 20 feet, specialized sensors can still pick up the faint hum of buried metal. At 23 feet, we find the echoes of war. The Cu Chi tunnels in Vietnam were a massive underground network used for survival and surprise attacks. It's a haunting world carved out by human hands. But humans aren't the only ones digging. At 40 feet, we find the deepest burrows made by any animal, the Nile crocodile. Even lower, at 65 feet, the atmosphere changes. In the Paris catacombs, the remains of over 6 million people rest in the dark. These tunnels were created out of necessity during an 18th century plague, turning the underworld into a city of the dead. At 180 feet, things get modern. In China, massive underground farms use artificial light to grow crops where the sun never shines. But the deeper we go, the more dangerous it gets. At 300 feet, humanity buries its most toxic secrets, nuclear waste, sealed away to protect the future. Near 400 feet, we find the limits of life as we know it. The wild fig tree in Africa sends its roots this deep, desperately searching for water in the dry earth. And if you're looking for a place to stay, the Sala silver mine in Sweden offers a hotel 500 feet underground. There's no Wi-Fi, no cell service, just cold rock and total silence. As we cross the 1,000-foot mark, the pressure starts to mount. This is the depth where even a nuclear bunker might not save you. Massive bunker buster missiles like the B-82 are designed to reach down and destroy everything at this level. Further down, we find the world's deepest canyons and pits. The Bingham copper mine is so deep, over 3,000 feet, that the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, could fit inside with room to spare. At 7,000 feet, we enter the Krubera Cave in Georgia, the deepest natural cave on Earth. It's a place of eternal darkness. Yet, we've gone even deeper. In India, the Kolar goldfields reach 10,000 feet, and even here, life finds a way. The devil worm lives 12,000 feet down, thriving in conditions that would kill almost anything else. But the ultimate human achievement in digging is the Mponeng gold mine in South Africa. It plunges 4 kilometers into the earth. It is so deep that if you fell from the top, it would take you 30 full seconds to hit the bottom. The heat is unbearable, reaching over 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a brutal, alien environment where men risk their lives for the shine of gold. If we look toward the ocean, the Challenger Deep descends nearly 11 kilometers. If you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be 2 kilometers underwater. Finally, we reach the absolute limit of human technology, the Kola Super Deep Borehole in Russia. After 20 years of drilling, they reached 12 kilometers. They wanted to go to the center of the Earth, but they had to stop. The rocks became like plastic. The heat rose to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The machinery simply melted. Below this point, we rely on science and gravity to tell the story. Beyond the crust lies the mantle, a 3,000-kilometer thick layer of rock that flows like thick honey. The temperatures here soar to thousands of degrees, fueling the volcanoes that shape our continents. Deeper still is the outer core, a swirling sea of liquid iron and nickel. This liquid metal creates the Earth's magnetic field, a silent shield that protects us from the sun's deadly radiation. Without this churning fire deep below, life on the surface would vanish. Finally, at the very center, 6,000 kilometers down, lies the inner core. It is a solid ball of metal as hot as the surface of the sun. The pressure here is so intense that even though it's burning, the metal cannot melt. We have explored the stars and the depths of the sea, but the heart of our own planet remains a forbidden frontier. We live on a thin, fragile crust, floating above a world of fire and mystery. We may never reach the center, but every inch we dig reminds us of just how small and how amazing our place in the universe really is.